Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. I am Demi and you're watching a Demi art tutorial. So if you're joining us for the first time, please click the red subscribe button to subscribe to this channel and also click the bell to get notified whenever we post new videos. Today I'll be showing you how to turn your picture from this to this. So let's get started. So I'll go to file, click open and choose my picture. So I'll be choosing this picture. I got this from Pixels. So I'll click open. Now this is my image. So we'll start by making the image a little bit dark so our glow will be more visible. So I'll click on my background here and go to duplicate layer. You can also click Ctrl J on your PC or Command J on a Mac as a shortcut to duplicate a layer. Now I'll click on the unlocked layer and click on this icon and choose color lookup. Then I'll choose moonlight. I'll click the layer again and choose exposure. So I'll just play around with this to make the picture a little bit darker the way I want it to be. So now look at the difference. So now I'll just turn these layers off. Just click on the eye icon here. I'm turning this off because now we want to make the leaf glow. So to do this, I'll have to select the leaf. So you can use a quick selection tool, but I'll rather use a pen tool. Now I'll start. So now a quick trick to move image, instead of using these things here, you can just click spacebar on your keyboard and drag to move the image as it is now. Next, right click and choose make selection. Then click OK. Now the leaf is selected. You click this icon below to create a new layer. Now move the leaf layer to the top. Then click the eye icon for other layers. Now right click on the leaf layer and choose convert to smart object. Next, right click on this layer again and choose group from layer to group it. Or you can just use a quick trick, Ctrl G on the keyboard of a PC or Command G for a Mac. Next, click on the lift layer and duplicate this layer. Next, change it to screen mode. Go up to filter here and choose blur. Then choose this one. Put it on 5. Next, duplicate this layer again and double click on this filter and impute 50. Duplicate on this layer again and double click on this filter and impute 300 as the radius. Again, duplicate the copied layer again and double click on this blur filter and impute 500 as the radius. Make sure the group is selected, then go to this icon here and tap it to choose hue and saturation. Click here and click colorize. So increase your saturation and choose your desired color for the leaf. Now click the brush tool here and invert this color here by clicking this icon. Choose a soft brush and choose a brush size. I'll be choosing 400. Then click on this layer that says exposure. Another trick is to increase your brush size without going to the brush size panel like what we did before. All you have to do is just look down on your keyboard. Do you see those bracket stuff like after the P? Just click them to change the size of your brush. Next thing we'll do is to give the effect like it's shining on the hand. So we'll duplicate this hue and saturation layer and click on your keyboard, Ctrl I to invert the thumbnail. Then move it directly over the exposure layer. Now choose your brush tool and click here and make sure your foreground color is white. Then start brushing. Do you see the effect it's creating? After that, you just come here and reduce the opacity to like 89%. Next, click on the top layer and choose this icon and choose selective color. Change it to yellow here and just play around with it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel and also click the bell to get notified whenever I post new videos. Please follow me on social media on Instagram at thereal_Demi and also tag me so I could see your own glow effect. Leave your comments in the comment section below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.